Good morning, students. Today I will describe reflection of light by a thin lens. Otherwise, we also known a lens maker formula. Very important for board exam. When light reflected by a thin lens, then it passes through two surfaces. First surface radius R1 consider and second surface radius consider R2. If we consider this is the principal axis of a thin lens, then object O placed at distance U after reflection by first surface, its image is formed at distance B dash. If distance B dash is the image distance, then U is the object distance. Then we applied reflection formula for first surface. Then we can say after reflection by first surface, n upon b dash minus 1 upon u equals n minus 1 upon r1. N is known as refractive index of lens, which is also known as refractive index of glass. Generally, every lens is prepared by glass, so that this is the refractive index of glass. When light reflected by first surface, then reflection formula we calculate n upon b dash minus 1 upon u equal n minus 1 upon r1. This is known as first equation. When this light ray is bent and reflected by second surface, then a final image I is formed by second surface of lens. Then we consider I dash work for second surface as a object. After reflection, image I is formed by second surface, so that object distance V dash and image distance will be V. So we can apply reflection formula for second surface and consider refractive index in inverse form, not n. We also can take it 1 upon n. Then apply reflection formula so that we can say reflection by second surface. When reflection by second surface, then we take object distance V dash and image distance V, so that 1 upon n is equal to upon V minus 1 upon V dash equal n minus 1 upon R2. When we common 1 upon n from here and from here, so 1 upon n both are cancelled to each other, then n minus 1 upon R2 in negative form. So that is called second equation. When second equation in form 1 upon V minus 1 n upon V dash minus n minus 1 upon R2. If we add equation second with equation first added to the second, then n upon b dash both are cancelled to each other. Then 1 upon b minus 1 upon u is the remaining part of left side, and we can take common n minus 1 from both points, then n minus 1 and 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This negative sign also present here for negative 1 upon r2. If we consider any object placed at the infinite point of the principal axis, then if u equal infinite, then image of object is always formed at the focus of lens. Then we put v is equal to f. This is the proper condition of lens. When object placed at infinite, then image of object is always formed at the focus of lens, so that we consider object distance infinite and image distance b is equal to f. Both are put in here. V f conversion or u convert into infinite. 1 upon infinite became 0, so that 1 upon f is equal to n minus 1, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. That is called lens maker formula. 1 upon f is equal to n minus 1, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. That is complete your topic. Thank you.